For lesson 21, we're going to look at divisibility. Okay? So here's some tests for divisibility. We have last digit tests, which means we're going to inspect the last digit of a number. Okay? So if the last digit, a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even. So if the very last digit of our number is even, we know that it is divisible by 2. Okay? If the last digit is 0 or 5, we're going to know that's divisible by 5. If the last digit is 0, we know that 10 is, it's divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. Okay? We also have sum of digit tests. So what we're going to do for these, for 3 and 9, we're going to add the digits of the number and inspect the total. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. And the same thing goes for 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, that means our whole number is divisible by 9. So what that means, if I have a number 123, I add those digits up, so 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. Okay? 6 is divisible by 3, so therefore 123 is divisible by 3. 6 is not divisible by 9, so 123 is not divisible by 9. Okay? So we're going to look at some examples here. So which of these numbers is divisible by 2? Okay? So we're going to look at the last digit and see which ones have an even number as the last digit. We look at, so 365, we look at 5, doesn't work, not even. Look at 1,179, 9, not even. Okay? So this is what's left. Let's make sure it works. Okay? Ends in a 6. 6 is even. That's our answer. So for example, 2, it says which of these numbers is divisible by 3. So now we have to do a little more work. We have to add up our digits, and if that number is divisible by 3, the whole number is divisible by 3. So 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 5 is 14. 14 is not divisible by 3, therefore 365 is not divisible by 3. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 7 is 9, plus 9 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3, 3 times 6, so therefore 1,179 is divisible by 3. This one. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 5 is 11, plus 6 is 17. 17 is not divisible by 3, therefore 1,556 is not divisible by 3. Example 3 says, which of the numbers 2, 3, 5, 9, 10 are factors of 135? Okay? So for 2, we're going to look and see if the last digit is even. Is the last digit even? No, it is not. So 2 is not going to work. Okay, now 3, I need to add up my digits. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so 135 is divisible by 3. And I'm going to put 3 down here. 5. Does the last digit end in a 0 or a 5? I look at it, yes it does, therefore 5 is a factor. Now 9. So I add my digits up, I get 9. 9 is divisible by 9, therefore 9 is a factor. And for 10, it needs to end in a 0. It does not, so 10 is not a factor. So my answer would be 3, 5, and 9. There's your practice set. Should be quick. Sure, if you have any questions, you bring them to class.